There are two books in my hands. One of them is the book of Stephen Hawking, which name Brief Answer to the Big Questions. The second book is The Power of Positive Thinking. Writer of this book is Norman, a motivational speaker. What is the purpose bringing two books before you? Because Stephen Hawking wrote in this book, we have no need of God. Another word, he denied the existence of God. He wrote in his book, page number 27, the universe is a machine governed by the principles or laws that can be understood by the human mind. And then he wrote, as we now, I believe that the discovery of these laws has been humankind's greatest achievement. For it's these laws of nature, as we now call them, that tell us whether we need a God to explain the universe at all. The laws of nature are a description of how things actually work in the past, present, and future. So, the conclusion of his research is that we have no need of God. Ma'azallah. Look at another book. This is book of Norman, The Power of Positive Thinking. He stressed that we should believe in Allah Almighty. Without this, we can't live in calm and cool. Look at the page number 7. He wrote, the greatest secret for the eliminating the inferiority complex, which is another term for deep and profound self-doubt, pointed, is to fill your mind to overflowing with the faith. Develop a tremendous faith in God. And that will give you a humble yet soundly realistic faith in yourself. It means that it is necessary that we believe in Almighty. This belief gives us power to become a realistic faith in ourselves. Another place of this book he wrote, page number 222. The Lord is the strength of my life. Is this I be confident? So, conclusion is that motivational speaker who deals with patience, who deal with anxiety, depression, and other hardships of life, concludes that we should believe in Allah Almighty. It is necessary for us. The conclusion is that without the believing in Almighty Allah, the state of calm and cool will not be get. On the other hand, Stephen Hawking is a scientist and is a thinker, only thinker. He was not dealing with the patients of anxiety, depression. So, he cannot understand the importance of believing in Allah Almighty. So, it is necessary we should believe in Almighty Allah, firmly believe, trust Him.